Hi, my name is Max. The company is Ceramon Plant company. My expectations was not too big, but I received much more. The main idea, what should exactly owner should be focused on. So this is maybe the biggest idea. I have tons of small tasks where I want to start doing not only just corkboard, but a lot of things, how to organize, how to implement. And I think after preparing the documentation, preparing all the plans, I will do a lot of work with hiring people. Thank you.